How to generate Ghibli images using ChatGPT. Today I'm going to show you how to transform your photos into enchanting Studio Ghibli style artwork. Launch your ChatGPT app or head over to the website chat.openai.com and log into your ChatGPT account. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider opting for ChatGPT Plus to unlock the image generation feature. Once you are in, click on the three dots at the bottom of the chat window and select Image from the options. This will enable you to generate images based on your prompts. Now let's craft a prompt that will guide the AI to create a Ghibli-style image. For example, you can type, create a Studio Ghibli-style image of a small cozy cottage surrounded by sunflowers and flying birds at sunset. That's it, be as dreamy and detailed as you want. Give it a few seconds and boom, you have got your own Ghibli-inspired art. You can even download it or try different ideas. Also, you can try out some other funny stuff. Feel free to get creative with your descriptions. Wait for a few seconds and here is your result. Also, you can upload images and you can ask ChatGPT to regenerate in the Ghibli style. Click on the plus option, select the option of your choice, select the picture. Now give the prompt to regenerate this picture in the Ghibli style. Wait for a few seconds and your image will be converted to the Ghibli style. And that's it, you just made Ghibli style art without needing to draw a single line. ChatGPT makes it super easy to bring your imagination to life. If you enjoyed this, give it a like, subscribe and let me know that Ghibli scene you would love to create next. Thanks for watching.